Circular pattern allows us to duplicate and arrange features, faces, or bodies in a circular layout with a specific angular spacing around an axis or center point. In this example, I will apply circular pattern to a threaded flange model. Go to the Features tab, then click the small arrow under Linear Pattern and select Circular Pattern. Now we need to select the feature, face, or body that we want to pattern. In this example, the bolt hole on the flange was created as a feature, so make sure the Features to Pattern option is active. Then select the bolt hole on the model, which is Cut-Extrude 4. Once the feature to be duplicated has been selected, the next step is to define the pattern direction reference. In the Property Manager, under Direction 1, click the Pattern Axis field. This reference can be an axis, temporary axis, angular dimension, cylindrical surface, or a circular edge, as long as its center aligns with the center of the circular pattern. In this example, I select the cylindrical surface. I then switch to the top view to see the preview more clearly. Next, we need to set up the instances. In this case, I use the instance spacing option. In the angle field, the initial value is 15 degrees, meaning each instance is spaced 15 degrees from the previous one. I increase this value, and in the preview, we can see the instance positions update accordingly. Now the angular spacing is 30 degrees. Next, in the number of instances field, the initial value is 4. I increase the number, and in the preview, the instances increase to 12. If I increase it further, it may look like nothing changes. This happens because the new instances overlap with existing ones. For this example, I want the flange to have 4 bolt holes. So, I set the number of instances back to 4. Next, I want the holes to be positioned on the right, top, left, and bottom. In the angle field, I can directly enter 90 degrees. Alternatively, we can calculate it by dividing 360 degrees, a full circle, by the number of instances, which is 4. This also gives us 90 degrees. Once everything looks correct, I click OK to complete the operation. We can see the circular pattern feature has been added to the design tree. And don't forget to click Save.